This video is going to cover how to create blog posts on the page or the website. First and foremost, everything has been integrated now on the front end of the site. You will notice now there is a blog page. That blog page will automatically aggregate any of the articles that are going to be posted to the site by using this tutorial. Right now you'll notice that it is blank, but after this you will see how it works. Because we're starting from scratch, it's a bit unique with the categories and things of that nature that you're going to see on the right hand side, which will help us tremendously from an SEO perspective. But first things first, you're going to want to go to the website. You'll see login, and this is the screen that you will see. At that point, you have two options to create a blog post. One, in the header here, you can hit new and then post, and or on the left hand side, hover over post and hit add new. Now, the next screen that you will see, it's once again very important to click post and not page. Once you're in the post environment, it's as simple now as adding the title. And at this point, I'm not going to use this beaver builder, so it's important to hit use standard editor. At this point, it's now up to you to put the content of the article. So for the sake of conversation, we'll just go like this. You'll notice when you're writing the article as well, you have the opportunity of changing a few bit of the alignments, bolding, italicizing, and then adding links. We will have a discussion about some of the content, but it's important if the class that you attended will utilize a lot of those tactics as far as linking internally, externally, and things of that nature. But once the content's set at the very bottom, at this point, it would be ideal for us to put focus key phrases that we've talked about in this particular article that we want to address. So if it had something to do about metal roofs, shingle roofs, etc., it would be, you'll put that there. It will also give you kind of a snippet of what it's going to look like once it's been set on the front end from a search engine. And then at the same time, you could also come on down here and edit the snippet and things of that nature, how it will look on a mobile or desktop. You can have some fun with this stuff. At that point, on the right hand side, it's very important now that you will see that you have the option of setting up the publish and or preview. As soon as you hit publish, you will automatically, this post will go to the blog section of the site, and as we continue to add more, they will go in chronological order. And in closing, the categories is something that we're going to do and will be something we'll be adding as we grow. But what we could take advantage of are any type of keywords and phrases and things of that nature that we're trying to rank for or going to be writing and or discussing about rather habitually. Back in the dashboard, you will see in the post area, there's a categories section. Click on that. It's going to open up this page. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and remove these because these are just what comes with it. So disregard that. But you will see starting from scratch, on the left-hand side, we have an opportunity here now that we can say metal roofing, which I'm just going to do this for a test and then leave it here because we do have that as a option, and if we do talk about it, we'll be able to use that as a category. What I do now is the slug, use the same thing, and then with the description, I usually do the same thing. If you want to go a little bit more in depth, that's up to you, but metal roofing for residential and or commercial, it's once again up to you guys if you want to do that. I usually just kind of copy and paste the name, slug, and the description all together. Disregard parent category. You don't have to worry about that. Once again, as soon as that's done, hit add new category, and you'll see now that's an option here. And when you're writing your articles, you'll have that as an option to select if that topic and or in general has been talked about in the article. It's ideal to then select that. That's going to help us with an overall search functionality as we grow the site. So hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. But once again, this is how to add blog articles to your website.